What's up, guys? This is Crypto Suave back here with another Electroneum video, and I'm going to be covering Electroneum's update on their fork. I'm going to be doing some technical analysis, and finally, because it's also on TradingView, so it's going to be a little bit cleaner chart, and I'm going to be going over a article that the the Financial Post put. So if you guys are excited, please, guys, leave me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. So, as you guys know, Electroneum did a fork, and it says right here, positively disrupting the world of crypto, successfully completed the game-changing ETN fork, becoming one of the most secure and eco-friendly cryptos. Mining rewards reduced by 75%. So, with this update, they plan on unlocking, all the big business deals that they have planned. That's going to make it a lot more easier, especially with the KYC, the Know Your Customer. It's just going to give big businesses, big names, a little bit more confidence in Electroneum. Because let's admit it, guys, there's not a lot of confidence in the space right now, especially the older generation. They're not so for cryptocurrency in general. Only when Bitcoin goes up to 20,000 and makes major gains, that's when CNBC loves talking about it. But this is very good news for Electroneum. Now, comparing it to Ethereum, their mining rewards was reduced by 30%, and Electroneum went a couple steps further and did 75%. They're also invulnerable to 51% attacks. So right here on the Financial Post, I believe the Financial Post has around 70, let me see how many followers that they have. On Twitter, they have 71,000 followers, so that's some good publicity right there. But here we are. Let's get into some highlights right here. So, proof of responsibility system. I have never heard that until now. System which enables a wide array of benefits, including virtually becoming invulnerable to 51% attacks, increased scalability, and unlocking significant corporate partnerships. I know we are excited to see what those are. Hopefully some big names, and it's going to be some very good news. Now, I am going to get into the technical analysis, but before that, I also saw something interesting right here. Where is it at? That could go hand in hand with our technical analysis. Where are we at? I know I had it here somewhere. Okay, here we are. So, this is what really struck my attention. Prior to the move, large mining pools were receiving their block rewards and selling them directly on the exchanges. This will no longer take place. Now, that is very, very interesting to me, because looking at the chart, I mean, as you can see, this is the daily time frame. This is the ETN USDT tether pairing. We are in a huge downtrend. Now, since this has been going on in the past, selling them directly on exchanges, of course, there's more sellers than buyers. Of course, we're going to fall into this downtrend right here. So, since this has been eliminated, what does that mean for the future of Electroneum? Can we finally break this downtrend? Because as you can see, we have tested it multiple times. I believe like around 9 to 10 retests of this trend line. And this is just my technical analysis right here. I like looking at the daily time frames, sometimes the monthly, 4-hour, anything under than that, especially in crypto. I don't really like looking at it because it is a bunch of noise. So I like looking at the longer time frames. So this is what I have marked up right here. So as you can see, we have that downtrend that has been going on. Electroneum has had, some major nice run up for the retest. And if you guys don't know, I mean, it's not a pretty sight in the crypto space. Everything is bleeding. So it kind of just makes sense that yes, we are going to see a nice little sell wick form right here. But when will we break it? That is the golden question. When can we break that? When can we break this trend line right here? I think it's coming up soon, guys. Honestly, I think it's coming up very, very soon. If we could break this and kind of use this as support instead of resistance, we could finally get back to our ICO price again and get some investors involved, get that investor confidence back. So it could go two ways, one of two ways. We could keep on rejecting this trend line, but this is a very important level to me right here. As you can see, it's one of the lowest levels it's been in a really long time, and it held up as support very well. So that's why I highlighted this right here. This is an important key level to watch for. So if we were to see some rejections, I expect this to hold up very well. Now, how many times is it going to take? Because look at all these retests, man. Look at all these retests. How many more times are we going to retest before we finally explode to the upside? And especially with this right here, this will no longer take place. Less sellers. That's what means. That's all it means. Less sellers. So more buyers. I mean, the truth is, the psychology of this market is nobody wants to buy at these levels. Nobody wants to buy at these levels because they're scared. It's going to go down lower. It's going to go down lower. But I believe if we shoot up to this price right here, finally hit that 1 cent mark where we all are at break even for all my ICO investors, it's going to feel very, very nice to finally break even. Because yes, guys, this was a bloodbath, and Electroneum became very unpopular because of the bloodbath that it's had. A lot of YouTubers disappeared because of that. You know, people were less interested because the hype of Electroneum was at an all-time high when it had came out, touched 23 cents, and everybody was like, "Oh wow, this is insane. This is the best cryptocurrency ever." But now, simply because of the price, nobody is interested. And I believe if we're to finally break this uptrend, get around this highlighted zone right here, a lot of investor confidence will come in, and this is where we will see a lot of buys. This is where we will see some major run-ups. Right here, not so much because everybody is scared right here. I know, you guys have heard it multiple times, buy low, sell high. But the majority of people do the opposite. It's just like all psychology. A lot of emotions involved. They see the price run up. Oh, it's past the ICO price. Man, I should have got in over here. That's what they're gonna say. But this is a pretty nice looking chart. I like it. I like it because it gives me a lot of hope. And with all these retests, I just know it's gonna have to freaking skyrocket and break this downtrend. Use it as support, and we could finally start seeing some, some higher highs. So if you guys loved this video, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts are. And I promise you guys, Electroneum is going to be a big dog in the crypto space. It is. It is definitely the sleeping giant. It is definitely the underdog. It always has been. And our community is freaking awesome. And we are freaking strong for sticking together. And just know, for all my followers, I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching my videos. You guys give me some more confidence to keep on doing it. And I will continue to make content for you guys. So if you guys like this technical analysis, let me know. If you guys want to see more technical analysis, let me know as well in the comment section, and I'll provide that for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see some of my ideas and trades and stuff, I put some Forex, some crypto. I'll put the link in the description so you can follow me and like my charts. I'm not a professional trader. I do trade at times. I mostly like to invest in cryptocurrency, but if you guys want to see some of my ideas, you guys let me know right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.